Think of the human brain as a high-speed 24-hour traffic hub. In the brain navigating attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, traffic doesn't always follow the GPS. It isn't just about having extra energy, it's a complex neurodevelopmental journey that often brings along friends like developmental coordination disorder, mood disorders, learning disabilities like dyslexia, and even oppositional defiant disorder. It's a crowded house, and the landlord is the executive function system, trying its best to manage a very specific behavior profile. This system is responsible for the heavy lifting of adulting, problem solving, planning, orienting, and alerting. When we talk about functional hurdles, we're looking at things like cognitive flexibility, sustained attention, and response inhibition. Basically, the brain's ability to delete a bad idea before it becomes an action. Throw in working memory, motivation, and delay aversion, the intense dislike of waiting for a reward, and you can see why distractibility, forgetfulness, and poor planning aren't choices but biological side effects. Physically, this all centers around the prefrontal cortex and its connectivity to the rest of the team. While we don't usually see physical lesions, the way these areas talk to each other create the hallmark impulsivity and locomotor hyperactivity. Key players in this network include the caudate, thalamus, and the corpus callosum, the massive bridge connecting the two halves of the brain. We also see the cerebellum, the pallidum, and our habit center, the putamen, all working in a delicate balance. Deep inside the hippocampus, the accumbens handles wind feelings, and the amygdala processes your emotions. The fuel making these connections move is a group of chemicals called catecholamines, specifically norepinephrine and dopamine. Keep this signal clear, we need just the right synaptic concentration of these chemicals. Sometimes the brain has a bit of leaky plumbing where these neurotransmitters are sucked out of the synaptic cleft too quickly. Medications like methylphenidate and amphetamine work to boost these synaptic concentration levels. While methylphenidate acts like a dam, amphetamine is a bit more complex. It acts as a trace amine associated receptor 1 agonist and interacts with the vesicular monoamine transporter. On the quieter side of the pharmacy, we have the alpha-2 adrenergic receptors. This involves beautiful microscopic chain reaction where G protein alpha interacts with adenosylase. Whether it's fixing bloody motor development or sharpening cognitive control, these tiny molecular shifts are what allow the brain to finally take the lead in its own life.